Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Say hello and pimp a hoe while drinking ice cold beer. You better not pout, you better not cry, you better not shout, he's going in dry. Santa Claus is coming in your mouth. He's making a bet, he's at the right price. He's in the back alley shooting some dice. Santa Claus is coming in your mouth. Ho, 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 ho. Come on, god dang, drive. Bells, Batman smells, Robin licked up jizz, and damn near hit some kids. Yeah. Jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin smells like shit. The Batmobile lost one wheel and fell in a fire pit. Jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin licked up balls. The Batmobile lost one wheel and ran into a wall.
Guy behind me is making a video. The guy in the blue is about to run everybody over. What happens when you don't use birth control?
Damn. Jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin smell like nut. The Batmobile lost one wheel and what rhymes with nut? And round up the Joker's butt. There's some big ass rims on that car. I can't think of another Christmas carol. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Say hello and smack a hoe while drinking ice cold beer. I forgot the words to Let It Snow, the white people version of Let It Snow, because I'd be like, smack a hoe, smack a hoe, smack a... What the fuck, all that fake ass blonde hair on that lady? I guess that's enough Christmas carols.